Dude, you know how we're always going to CAVA for lunch? Well, they're going public next month. Public? What does that mean? It means that we're going to be able to buy stock in the company that we go to every week for lunch. Oh shit, like the stock market. All right, let me know when it happens. I'm in. CAVA just went public and I bought some stock in the company at $43. $43 a share? I don't know. I'm going to wait for it to go down a little bit. CAVA is $52 a share now. $52. I'm gonna wait. CAVA is $30 a share. You're gonna buy some today? $30? Wasn't it just 50? Why would I buy it now? It's going down. It's a loser and no one's ever gonna eat there. But I thought you said that you were... whatever. I'm buying more. Man, now it's almost 70 bucks. I should have bought it when it was 50. You know what? Next time it gets to 50, I'll buy it. CAVA's $92 a share. What? All right. Next time it's in the 70s, I'm going to buy it. CAVA is $79. It came to that price point you said you wanted it at. Are you going to buy the dip? Well, honestly, if it's dropping, I think I'm just going to wait for it to go down to 50. I'll buy it at 50. I hate to tell you this, but CAVA's $127 per share today. Oh my God, I'm such an idiot. Well, if it drops, you'll buy it? Sure. Hey, you know what? Let's go to CAVA for dinner. Only if you're buying. Yeah. Thank you.